Attention! Go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, up, up. Again. Power in 3, 2, 1. Longer strokes, longer strokes. That's it, basics. Long strokes, long strokes. Drive it down. Top hand drive, guys. Top hand drive. Reach it out, reach it out. Long strokes, rotate those shoulders. Don't speed up. That's it, guys. Take your time to pull. Rotate, Alan, rotate. Higher setup, higher setup. Outside arm, up, up, up. That's it, guys. More body. Reach forward, reach forward. Reach forward, reach forward.
Run.
Come on, guys. Dig, dig, dig. We're not moving. Come on, guys. Longer strokes. Start to shorten up. Punching over. Come on, guys. Sit up, sit up, sit up. Give me a power 10. In 3, 2, 1. 10 hard, 10 hard. Come on, guys.
Harder!
Good effort. There we go. Bring up the speed now. Bring up the boat speed. Let's go. Come on, hold the momentum, guys. Hold the momentum. Come on, guys. Look up, sit up. Stop flopping the head. Come on. That's it, guys. Come on. Nice long strokes. Nice long strokes. Reach forward. Reach forward. Power 10 in 3, 2, 1. Dig. Dig. You guys just drop into the water. That's it, guys. Come on. Reach. 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 Long strokes. Long strokes. Come on, Abel. Come on, Abel. Same time. That's it, guys. Come on. Reach forward. Reach forward. Reach forward.
Come on.
Finish in 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. Come on. Finish strong. Put a little more oomph into it. Let's go. That's it, guys. Come on. Dig, guys. Dig. Dig. Dig.
Harder, almost done!
You got it. Come on, guys. Don't look around. Don't look around. Don't look around. Last 10. Last 10. Let her run.